This video is all about the Aduro Peak Resistance Iron Weighted Vest. I'm going to try and use it in place of my backpack just to see if this is better or worse than using it in my body weight exercises. So let's take a look at the unboxing of this weighted vest. Now the Aduro Peak Resistance Iron Weighted Vest is simply that. It's a weighted vest you can put on up over your shoulders and clasps in the front, which is great, so it's just like a backpack, so that you can add resistance to your body weight training. The vest I got is the heaviest one they have, which is 30 pounds. Now, I misread this on Amazon.com, thinking that it actually went in increments of say 4, 8, 12, and then up all the way to 30 pounds. But this is just 30 pounds. So that is one major downside for me right off the bat. And I'll get to that in a bit, but just know the one I did buy is strictly 30 pounds. There is no changing weights in and out. Jumping on the order details, I bought this off Amazon.com on February 8th of 2021. The price at the time was $99.99. So again, I thought I was buying something that could change weight from as little as 4 pounds all the way up to 30 pounds, but this is just 30 pounds for about $100. So that's not a good start. Just gonna tell you it's not a good start, but the total came out to $108.24 after Texas taxes. For the unboxing, this was very, very simple. It comes in a smaller size box. It does weigh 30 pounds, so be ready for that. But everything comes already done for you. So all the weight is in the actual weighted vest itself already. You don't need to be adding anything in. You can literally just take it out of the box, put it over your shoulders, strap in, and you're good to go. Now, looking at the weighted vest overall, I am not a fan whatsoever, and here are the main reasons why. So as mentioned before, I thought that this weighted vest could change weights from as little as 4 pounds all the way to 30 pounds, and because it can't, that makes this product very, very overpriced in my opinion. With this in mind, I would have to buy every single one of their weighted vests in order to get the results I'm trying to go with here. So that would take up space, it would cost a lot more money, so why would I do that when I could just buy my dumbbells again and a backpack and get the same type of results? Yes, it might be a little bulkier, but I'd rather do that, have a dumbbell set, an adjustable dumbbell set, mind you, and then get the same results out of it. I just don't see how these can be worth $100 when they only go up to 30 pounds. I think that's just a big ripoff. And for something that's one of the best sold products on Amazon right now for weighted vests, that's pretty disappointing. Also, one of the main reasons I went for this style of vest is I thought it would actually hug my body a lot better because again, when I'm doing this with my backpack and plates, the actual backpack hits the ground pretty early for exercises like inverted rows. So I said, okay, maybe I can get around that, spread out the weight more with a weighted vest. However, when I actually tug these straps all the way, so it's as tight as it's going to go, there's still quite a bit of space between my body and the actual vest itself, meaning it does not hug my body at all well. My backpack might even be better than it, which is kind of sad. So that's already two things I really, really hate about this weighted vest. Moving on. When you buy something that is 30 pounds and $100, you would expect it to not already be ripping and have seams coming out of it. However, mine already has the stitching coming out of one of the shoulder pads. So that's very concerning right off the bat that they would sell such an expensive item that already is being ripped. I don't know what happened in the packaging or whatnot in the build of this, but just know when I got it, unboxed it today, the shoulder on one side already has the stitching coming undone. And to round it out with things I really don't like, and I mentioned this already many times before, that $100 price. I just can't believe that this is a 30-pound weighted vest for $100. That is crazy high pricing in my opinion. Even in a virus time, that is way too much money to spend for something like this. It's not that good of a product overall. Do not spend $100 on this product. Some things I do like about it, however, are that it's a minimalist design. So if it actually hugged my body well, if they could make the straps work, I think this would actually work very well if they just fixed that one problem. It could hug my back and my shoulders very well, be very minimalist in design, and really get the results I want with that. Yes, I would need to figure out how to do change of weights, but at least it would be up contoured towards my body, not flailing around and coming off and reaching to the floor just like my backpack does and what this does now. So fix that, and at least you have something going for you if you can do that with the design you have. And lastly, the straps for the weighted vest connect in front of you just like a backpack. This is something I've been looking to find for quite some time. Most of the weighted vests I've been looking at on Amazon and other sites, they all are overhead weighted vests, meaning you have to put them on up over your head, which is really, really difficult when you start getting into the heavier weights. Try putting something that's like 30 plus pounds and not making it awkward over your head without hurting yourself. It's not that fun to do, so I've been trying to find ones that you just put on up in over your shoulders and then strap on in front, because that's super easy to do and makes things very quick when doing your workouts. So now, after first impressions, would I recommend this product to anyone else? If you couldn't have guessed it, this is a pretty easy no. Really, I have not liked this product right out of the box. Took a step back when it was only 30 pounds, then it was $100, then it seems coming out undone, then the straps weren't tight enough, then the thing wasn't tight enough to my body. There's just a slew of things that I really don't like about this product. Maybe you have some use for it that you can find and put it in your training, but for me, I'm already going to be returning this pretty much right out of the box, so I'm going to continue going with my backpack. You won't be seeing this in any of my other videos. So that is it for this Aduro Peak Resistance Weighted Iron Vest. If you did like the unboxing, please like and subscribe to my channel for more unboxing videos just like this one. And if you haven't already, head over to GamerBody.com. There you can check out my current home workout program, the equipment I own and use, which won't be this one much longer, and the information I'm learning from to continue to build muscle and confidence, all from the comfort of home. And that's it. Again, like, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next video. Be fit and game on.